Have you ever wondered if dolphins might not be of this world? A question perhaps as vast as the cosmos themselves. Yet it's a question that has been whispered in the corridors of scientific communities and echoed in the hallowed halls of cyberspace. Are these playful, intelligent creatures of the sea, in fact, a lower form of extraterrestrial life? It's a question that's not as far-fetched as you might think. Dolphins are renowned for their advanced intelligence. Their cognitive abilities rival those of humans, and they exhibit intricate social structures and complex communication systems. In fact, their use of sonar and echolocation has puzzled scientists for decades. These unique attributes have led some to speculate, could dolphins, with their almost alien-like intelligence and communication skills, truly be terrestrial outsiders? Could they be our link to understanding life beyond our own planet? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? So let's dive into the depths of this mystery. Dolphins rank among the smartest creatures on Earth. But what if their intelligence is not of earthly origins? Let's delve into the fascinating world of dolphin intelligence. Studies have shown that dolphins possess complex problem-solving abilities that rival and sometimes even surpass those of humans. For instance, when faced with a puzzle, dolphins have demonstrated the ability to devise innovative solutions, adapting their tactics based on the situation at hand. But it's not just their problem-solving prowess that's impressive. Dolphins also exhibit a remarkable level of self-awareness. They are among the few creatures on our planet that can recognize themselves in a mirror. This self-recognition is a clear indication of their advanced cognitive abilities. And then there's language. Dolphins communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements. But what's truly astounding is that their language isn't just a simple means of communication. It's a complex system with syntax and structure, much like human languages. Some researchers have even suggested that dolphins may have individual names, referred to as signature whistles. But where does this intelligence come from? It's a question that has puzzled scientists for decades. The brain of a dolphin is larger and more complex than that of most terrestrial mammals, including humans. This has led some to speculate that dolphin intelligence may not be entirely of earthly origin. Consider this. The universe is vast, with countless stars and potentially habitable planets. Could it be possible that dolphins, with their extraordinary intelligence and complex language, are not just products of evolution on Earth, but instead are a lower form of extraterrestrial? Could their intelligence be a gift, bestowed upon them by some distant advanced civilization? The idea may seem far-fetched, but in a cosmos teeming with possibilities, can we really rule it out? As we continue to explore the depths of the ocean and the expanses of the universe, who knows what we might discover? But is this intelligence terrestrial, or could it be a gift from the stars? Dolphins communicate in ways that scientists are still struggling to decode. Could this be because their language is not of this planet? Imagine a society where communication is not just through sounds, but also through complex body movements and even echolocation. That's right, we're talking about the world of dolphins. Dolphins communicate in a myriad of ways that go far beyond the capabilities of human communication. This form of communication is complex, intricate, and yet so beautifully coordinated that it leaves us in awe. Echolocation, for instance, is a method used by dolphins to navigate and hunt. By emitting sounds and listening to the echoes, they can create a mental map of their environment. This is akin to seeing with sound, a concept that is difficult for us humans to fully grasp. But it doesn't stop there. Dolphins also use a wide array of vocalizations, from clicks to whistles to pulsed sounds. Each carries a different message. Some might be a call for help, others a warning, or even a simple greeting. But what makes these vocalizations truly fascinating is the complexity behind them. Each whistle, click, or pulse is not random, but rather a carefully crafted message. And let's not forget about body language. Dolphins have been observed to use their bodies to communicate in ways that are just as complex as their vocalizations. A flick of the tail, a leap out of the water, or even a simple nudge can all carry specific meanings. Now here's where it gets interesting. What if this advanced communication system is not just a product of evolution on Earth, but rather a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence? Some suggest that the sophistication of dolphin communication could be evidence of a connection to a higher form of intelligence, one that originates from beyond our world. The mystery of dolphin communication continues to baffle us. Could the answers lie beyond our world? If so, it would mean that we have been sharing our planet with extraterrestrial beings all along, and they've been right under our noses, or should we say, fins. Some believe that dolphins might be descendants of extraterrestrial beings. Let's explore this intriguing theory. As we dive deeper into the ocean of speculation, we encounter the notion that dolphins may not be of this world at all. That's right, folks. We're talking about the extraterrestrial dolphin theory. This theory posits that dolphins, with their inexplicable intelligence and complex communication systems, might be descendants of advanced alien civilizations. Imagine, if you will, a civilization so advanced that they've surpassed our understanding of technology, biology, and even the very fabric of space-time. These beings, in their infinite wisdom, could have sent dolphins to Earth to observe us, to learn from us, or perhaps to guide us. Another strand of this theory proposes that dolphins are the result of alien genetic manipulation. This might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but let's consider the possibilities. If an extraterrestrial civilization had the capability to manipulate DNA, they could theoretically create any form of life they desired. Dolphins, with their high intelligence and adaptability, would be prime candidates for such a creation. But why dolphins? Why not elephants or eagles or humans for that matter? Dolphins, with their ability to thrive in the most inhospitable parts of our planet, the open seas, could potentially survive in the harsh environments of outer space. Their complex communication systems could also be a product of an extraterrestrial design, a tool for interstellar communication perhaps. So, as outlandish as it might seem, the extraterrestrial dolphin theory carries some weight. It may not be the most widely accepted theory, but it certainly sparks our curiosity and opens up a world of possibilities. When it comes to the mysteries of the universe, we must remember that we are but mere infants, still learning to crawl in the vast expanse of cosmic knowledge. The truth might be stranger than any fiction we can concoct. While this theory may sound outlandish, it's not entirely impossible. Of course, not everyone believes in the extraterrestrial origin of dolphins. Let's take a look at the skeptical viewpoint. Now, when we delve into this viewpoint, the first thing that skeptics will point out is the lack of solid evidence. Sure, dolphins are intelligent and they have sophisticated communication skills, but is that really enough to claim they're from another planet? The answer, according to skeptics, is a resounding no. Without concrete proof, such as unique biological markers or evidence of extraterrestrial DNA, this theory remains just that, a theory. Furthermore, skeptics often highlight that dolphins are not the only animals to exhibit high intelligence and advanced communication skills. Take elephants and primates, for instance. They also demonstrate complex social structures, problem-solving abilities, and intricate communication systems. Yet we don't often hear theories about them being extraterrestrial. Why should dolphins be any different? Another argument skeptics often make is related to the dangers of anthropomorphizing dolphins, in other words, attributing human characteristics or behaviors to non-human entities. We must be cautious not to interpret dolphin behavior through a human lens. Just because they have certain abilities that we associate with intelligence, doesn't mean they're operating on the same cognitive level as us, let alone beings from another planet. And let's not forget, the ocean is a vastly different environment from outer space. Dolphins have evolved perfectly to thrive in their aquatic homes. Their bodies are designed for swimming, not for surviving in the vacuum of space. Could they really be descended from extraterrestrial beings? In the end, the skeptical viewpoint doesn't outright dismiss the possibility of dolphins being of extraterrestrial origin. Instead, it urges us to be critical and analytical, to question and scrutinize rather than simply accept. After all, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. While the extraterrestrial theory is fascinating, it's important to approach it with a critical mind. So, are dolphins extraterrestrial beings, or are they simply the result of millions of years of evolution on Earth? It's a question that has intrigued us throughout this journey. We've delved into the remarkable intelligence of dolphins, exploring their complex social structures and communication systems that rival those of humans. We've considered the possibility of communication beyond Earth, pondering if these sea creatures could be our link to life beyond our planet. We've also entertained the extraterrestrial theory, the notion that dolphins may be a lower form of alien life, their existence here on Earth a result of cosmic intervention. However, we've also examined the skeptical viewpoint, questioning the plausibility of such an idea, weighing it against the scientific evidence of evolution. In the end, the evidence supporting both sides is compelling, yet inconclusive. The truth remains elusive. Perhaps the answer lies not in our oceans but in the stars above ours.